I totally understand the frustration when it comes to dark spots on your skin. Hey beauties, it's Rika here. And what's more annoying is when you start using these dark spot correctors and it doesn't work. But no worries, I have got your back. Basically, what a dark spot corrector does is that it brightens up affected areas and reverses sun damage to regain clear complexion. So here is our list on only the best dark spot correctors that you can get in Singapore. First things first, let's introduce the dear Klairs freshly juiced vitamin C drop. Packed with pure vitamin C extracted from fresh juices, this dark spot is very effective in lightening dark spots. Made using only active ingredients like Centella asiatica, broccoli, and yuzu extract, this corrector is suitable for all skin types where it can keep even the most sensitive skin calm. This drugstore-friendly option is one of the most affordable dark spot correctors that you can get in Singapore as well as inside our mall. Next, I highly recommend trying out the Kumuya Illuminate Nutri-Serum Concentrate. This award-winning plant-derived serum of powerful actives and micronutrients help your skin by reducing the appearances of blemishes and pigments. This concentrated serum works well in lightening your pigments with its 10 actives to reduce dark spots, 9 actives in the evening your skin tone, 8 actives in the soothing inflammation, and 7 micronutrients to give you a natural glow. It doesn't only improve your skin tone, but it also helps to illuminate your skin even further and makes your skin glow. Other than that, the Shiseido White Lucent MicroTargeting Spot Corrector is promising too. One of the best-selling spot correctors in Singapore, this intensive anti-spot serum by Shiseido can help diminish the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation on the skin. Formulated with Japanese cherry blossoms, this serum has a nice scent to it and does not have a sticky feel and leaves your skin beautifully bright and translucent looking. It can be used to target various spots that are distributed all over the skin. Another good dark spot corrector would be the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Formulated with white birch and peony extract, this fast-acting serum can even your skin tone while diminishing dark spots to impart overall radiance and luminosity to the skin. Plus, this Kiehl's corrector is formulated without any silicones, parabens, fragrance, or colorants, hence it is suitable for all skin types. Use it regularly and you can see the difference on your skin. Besides that, you can opt for the BECOS White Prisma Anti-Dark Spot Roll-On. Infused with green algae extract, watercress, and waterflower complex, it effectively combats all types of dark spots. This high concentration of ingredients helps to brighten and balance out the skin tone. It comes with a roll-on applicator so that you can target on each spot for an effective treatment. Moving on to another great dark spot corrector, it would be the Fresh Peony Spot Correcting Brightening Essence. Another one of the popular dark spot correctors in Singapore, this Fresh Peony Essence is an ultra-effective brightening facial concentrate that contains an exclusive brightening complex derived from peony and licorice root extract. Plus, the essence is also equipped with hyaluronic acid to attract and seal in moisture. This essence can effectively reduce and prevent hyperpigmentation as well as occurring dark spots. This next product is a renowned cult favorite here in Singapore, and it would be the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum. Enriched with vitamin C and rich serum by Drunk Elephant can help big time in tackling uneven skin tones at the same time brightening the appearance of the skin. Packed with other potent antioxidants like iascorbic acid, ferulic acid, this serum can also neutralize free radicals and environmental addresses on the skin to keep your skin glowing. Gentle and light to the skin, it is suitable for all skin types. Last but not least, a great dark spot corrector that you can get in Singapore would be the SK2 Genoptics Spot Essence. Designed to target age spots, this spot corrector by SK2 can brighten your skin while combating the signs of aging. Formulated with Spot Resist Complex, this spot corrector will leave your skin looking fresher and brighter. Although it is pricey, but trust me, it is worth the splurge. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should we make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Insider Mall right now so that you get to shop and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!